Hi everyone, we're going to solve just two log equations here using the properties of logs. So we have the first one's going to be log base 49 of x equals 1/2 plus log base 49 of 2x minus 6. And the other one I'm going to do is the natural log of x equals 5 minus natural log of 17. Okay, so let's rewrite the first one. We have log base 49 of x equals 1/2 plus log base 49 of 2x minus 6. Now what we notice here is we have this 1/2 here. So what I'm going to do is multiply this by 1. And to multiply this by 1, I'm going to multiply it by log base 49 of 49. This equals 1. And then I don't have to rearrange the equations. So I'll just copy this one down. Alright. Now, also, I'm going to, when you condense, I've got to condense this right side here. I'm going to move this 1/2 up here. So I'm going to have log base 49 of x equals log base 49 of 49 to the 1/2. Now remember, x to the 1/2 is the same as the square root of x. So basically that's going to be the square root of 49, which is 7. So now I can condense this side into a single logarithm. So I have log base 49 of x equals log base 49. And remember, this was the square root of 49, which is 7, times, using my product property, of 2x minus 6. Now that I have one log on one side, the left, and the right, I can solve for x. So we have distribute here, and you get 14x minus 42. I'm going to subtract the x and the add the 42. Well, I'm just moving things around. So basically, I'm going to move the x over here, so that's going to give me 13x. I'm going to add the 42, and I get 42. So x equals 42 over 13. Now we have to check our answers, and we know that this quantity here, and this one here as well, has to be positive. So this number here has to be greater than 3, or this will be 0. And this number here has to be greater than 0. This is definitely greater than 0, so it works here. Is this greater than 3? And if you don't have a calculator, you know that 39 over 13 equals 3, so you know this is greater than 3. So this does work, and that is our solution. Okay, and the next one we're going to do is natural log of x equals 5 minus ln of 17. Now this one I'm going to go ahead and move around. So I'm going to add the ln of 17 to the other side. I'm going to use my product property and make one ln, so that's going to be 17x equals 5. Now, when I use my formula, this means that I can write this as 17x equals e to the 5th power. And that's just using the exponents formula. So x equals e to the 5th power over 17. And basically, if you don't get to use a calculator on your test, we just need to know that this is positive. And I know that 3 to the 5th equals 243. And 2 to the 5th equals 32. So I know if my e is in between 3 and 2, and it's to the 5th power, so I know this works. This is positive. So my answer works. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.